A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shivam Shukla. Here I am to just explain you the concept of projection of points. It's a concept of engineering graphics. Let us start with it. So now, before starting with the explanation of the concept, let us draw a 3D diagram of the four quadrants. So starting with this, I'll be making a 3D diagram of it. Just would like to explain. Okay. Now I'll be making this line. I'll be coming half the way down over here like this. Then there would be a plane which will be extended on both the sides like this. Same way over here. Okay, this is a 3D diagram that I have drawn like this, I would just extend the bottom part over here and this way over here. Now since I am showing the 3D diagram, so let me explain you all one by one. How is the quadrant system going? Now, just for the explanation part, first quadrant, second quadrant, I'll be mentioning it over here. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And the last one over here is fourth quadrant. Just to make it to you see it very clearly, fourth quadrant. Okay, now just to show you, this is a line which is named as XY. The direction of vision of the observer, that I can show it to you over here, is parallel to this plane and it is like this. So here I'll be showing the observer. Now, this is a 3D diagram. The same 3D diagram, if I want to represent it in a 2D way, so how do I represent? So here it is on my right side. Just check. Here I am drawing it. I'll be just showing you all. The line XY, if suppose you are looking at from here, from front, this XY will be seen as a point from this point. Now, this will be the direction of vision of the observer. Again, the observer, if I show it, the observer will be over here. Friends, just to understand the diagram, this plane, these two parallel planes, since they are purely parallel to the ground, so they are named as HP, that is horizontal planes. Since this plane is vertical, which is parallel to the wall, so that is why this is mentioned as the vertical plane. Now let us locate the position of different points. Try to understand the position of different points. So first point, let me mention it over here. Point in first quadrant, that is point A over here. If I need to see the front view of it and top view of it, how do I see it? The projections of this point in front view, I will be projecting a light like this parallel to the ground. So the projection will be over here and that I will be mentioning it as a front view, that is A dash. From the top, if I just project a light, its projection will be falling on this particular plane, that is horizontal plane, that is A, point A it is, not A dash. So I will be mentioning this as the front view and this as the top view for better understanding of it. Same way I can show it over here. I can write it down now. First, this is point A over here. So projecting A, it will be A dash. It will be A dash over here and it will be A over here on HP. A. Friends, just let me mention it. This is the horizontal, these two are the horizontal planes as mentioned, and these two are the vertical planes as mentioned. Okay, so A dash. Now first, if I look about the location of the point in first quadrant. So point A in first quadrant. How do I write it? Point A in first quadrant, that is A is, now whatever the location we are writing it, it has to be with respect to the observer. So with respect to observer, if you can see the 3D view or the 2D view over here, point A is above the horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. So A is above HP and in front of VP. If I need to locate their locations with respect to XY, so A dash is above the XY line and A is, I'm writing it over here, A dash is above XY and A is below XY. Why? If I need to see this particular point A of the top view from the direction of vision of the observer, I won't be able to see it. So for seeing it, I need to rotate this plane HP in the clockwise sense so that it gets merged with the vertical plane. So the point A is up below the XY line. I will be mentioning it specifically. Front view is above XY, top view is below XY. Now if I draw it, how do I draw it now? If I draw it, it will be like this XY line that you can see, X, Y. What about point A dash and A? This is point A dash and on the same projection line point A. So if I mention it, A dash, that is front view is above XY, A, that is top view is below XY. I hope it is clear to you when the point is in first quadrant. Now let me write it for when the point is in second quadrant. What happens when the point is in quadrant number 2? Point A in second quadrant. Point A in second quadrant. Let us go back through to the 3D diagram now. If the point A is in quadrant number 2, suppose it is over here, I am showing it A. Now again, to see the front view and top view of it, to see the front view, assuming this entire this 3D diagram that I have drawn of quadrant system is transparent, so front view will be projected over here, that is A dash. For top view, I will be projecting it from the top and this point is projected over here as A. I will mention it again, front view, and here is nothing but top view. This is for the point in second quadrant. How do I mention it? How do I state this point in second quadrant? For it specifically, it will be A is with respect to observer. Can you all tell me with respect to observer what will happen? This is a 3D diagram. If I look about the 2D diagram, even for this it will be, suppose A is somewhere over here, A is somewhere over here, A, point A, and if I look about the front view and top view, front view will be coming like this, top view will be coming like this, point A is this, A dash is this. So how do I write down the statement with respect to the observer? So clearly it is A is above HP and behind VP, very clear. So I can write it, the statement over here as A is above HP, A is above HP and behind VP. Now to see specifically, A dash, point A dash is above XY. There is no doubt in that because it is located straight away on the 3D diagram. What about point A? If the observer needs to view point A, observer will not be changing his position. Again, we need to rotate this plane in clockwise sense. Some people are getting confused. Why do we rotate HP only in clockwise sense? Why we don't rotate VP? So see, it's a standard concept, guys, because the observer won't be changing his position. Observer is still as it is. So that's why we will be changing the position of HP. We will be rotating it clockwise so that it merges with VP, and even point A also, that is top view, also will be above the XY point. A is above XY. So it is very clear. Now let me draw the diagram and explain it to you all. So here it is. Just check. XY line I'm showing. You can just assume it by looking at the 2D diagram. You can just assume it by looking at the 2D diagram. And now I'm drawing it over here. Both the points, if I see it very specifically, both the points, if I talk, suppose A dash or A dash, that is front view, is also above XY. Top view, that is A, is also above XY. Now let us go for the point in third quadrant. Third one. Let me mention it specifically over here. Third. Point A in third quadrant. So now, if I see it now, let us go back to the 3D diagram. So point A is in third quadrant, and let me show for the front view of it, parallel to the vision of the observer, the front view will be projected on the vertical plane below XY, that is A dash is this, and the top view parallel to the vertical plane, it will be A over here. So this is the front view, this is the top view for the point in third quadrant. Now how do we proceed for this? To be very specific, point A in third quadrant. So how do I write? Point A is with respect to observer, it is now below HP and behind VP. So now, to be very specific, let us draw the XY line over here. X, Y. You can see it now. XY line. Now, top view, if I see, is above XY and front view is below XY. So A, which is top view, is above the XY line. A dash, which is the front view, is below the XY line for point in third quadrant. Last but not the least, point A in fourth quadrant. Point A in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. For this particular sake, what do I do? Again, I go back to the 3D diagram. Look at point A in fourth quadrant. Suppose point A is located somewhere over here. And then I locate the front view of this point like this. And if I talk, see, this is the front view A dash. I will be mentioning it as front view. And for point A and top view, I will be projecting a light from the top, considering this plane as a transparent one. This is point A, which is the top view. Again, now to be very specific, point A in fourth quadrant, I came back over here. Now, just I missed one point for point A in third quadrant. I'll mention it over here. Point A in third quadrant. Just to complete this, friends. So this was for A and this was for A dash. A dash over here, and this was A for point in third quadrant. Now if I'm talking about point A in fourth quadrant in 2D view, so A is over here, and parallel to this HP ka line, this is the point and this is the point. So this is A dash and this is point A, point in fourth quadrant. How do I state this for the point in quadrant number 4? So for that, I can write it A is below HP with respect to the observer. You can see it, friends. A is with respect to observer below the horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. So let me write it now, below HP and in front of VP. So friends, let me draw it now. So I draw it, this XY line as it is. Now A, for location of A dash, yes friends, now I want you all to think A dash for sure is below the XY line. Let me mention it as A dash, that is front view, is below the XY line. Why? Because you can see it very clearly. A dash front view is below the XY line. What will happen to A? If you need to see the point A, that is the top view, you need to rotate this entire plane in clockwise sense, and that is how it will be also, top view will also be below the XY line. So A is below the XY line. So to be very specific, front view and top view both are below the XY line. Friends, if you see the entire diagram, just a note I would like to tell you all to write it down. Note is, if a point is above or below, if a point is above or below HP, point is above HP or below HP, it is related to HP, and that particular location will be with respect to its front view, location of front view to be specific. If a point is in front or behind, that will be related to its distance from vertical plane, and that is related to its top view. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.